every release, your team waits on regression testing for a system nobody fully understands anymore because it has become much more complex. It's a far wider application now. But that wait is the reason you are shipping now slower as well. But companies half the size are able to do it faster. What that means is that legacy does not have to mean slow. You can bring in a lot of efficiencies even if you have legacy systems. In this video, I will show you how to modernize regression testing on old systems without a risky rewrite. I have defined them in 3 steps. The first step is find the critical paths. You cannot automate anything that you have built over a period of 20 years, and you cannot automate all of those features. The most important thing is that you need to identify what are those critical features and flows that are critical for the business, and you need to start from there. Everything else can wait, or you can prioritize it later down the road. The second part is that you need to build a safety net before you touch anything. So for example, you need to add automation regression on those critical paths first. And the moment something breaks, you know in minutes as well. Not because somebody has called you or the developer has come to you or your customer has called you. This is how you make rest of the product safer. And the third part is that you need to also in parallel modernize behind the net as well. Once you can detect breakage instantly, you can refactor, you can update the code, and you can bring in more confidence into your own testing suites and also the application at a wider level. The trap most teams fall into is trying to fix the system and test at the same time. But you need to build the net first, and then everything else will be followed accordingly. Do this, and a release that you used to take a week of nervous regression becomes a day of confident shipping. If you're sitting on legacy that slows you down, save this for your next planning session.